Good morning student, this is one more video for today. Rest of the question of this exercise 14F, question number 7. Find the area of each shape correct to 1 dp means 1 decimal point, and you have to take pi is equal to 3.14. So first you have to find the area of this shape. This shape is the combination of semicircle and a rectangle. So firstly you have to find the area of the semicircle, then add area of rectangle, you will get the area of this figure. For this rectangle, L into B, and for this semicircle this is 4, so radius becomes 2 centimeter. Okay, so pi r square divided by 2. Okay, then second figure, this is the combination of small circle, small semicircle, rectangle and the big semicircle. So for this, if this is completely 4, this is 2 and this is also 2, so radius become 1 centimeter. So this area plus this rectangle area plus this semicircle, add all three area, you will get your area of this shape. Next, question number 8. This is the figure of question number 8. You have to find area of this rectangle and minus area of this semicircle. For the area of rectangle is L into B, 14 into 10. For area of semicircle, you have to, radius becomes 7. This is your 7 centimeter. So pi r square divided by 2. Pi is equal to, you have to take pi 22 upon 7 or 3.14, and pi r square and L into B. Okay, for question number 9, you have to find the area of this shaded region. You can directly apply the formula, second formula, which I have already mentioned, that is this area between two concentric circles. You can direct use this formula and solve this question. For this formula, capital R is your 5 because diameter is 10, so radius become 5. For small r, radius become 4. Okay, then again you have to apply this formula, pi capital R plus small r minus small r. So pi is 3.14 into 5 plus 4, 5 minus 4, and you will get your answer. For question number 10, you have to find area of this rectangle square and subtract area of circle. Area of square is side into side, so 5 into 5, and what is the radius? You have to, this is 2.5 centimeter. You will get area of square minus area of circle. For question number 11, radius of the circular field is this. Inside it runs a path width all around. Question number 11. This is your figure. This is your circular field. Inside it there is a path. This width is 5 meter. Find the area of the field. You simply apply the same formula mentioned before. Put the values. You will get your answer. Okay. Next, question number 12. A road wide surrounds a circular path. Okay, this is your road. This width is 3.5 meter and the circumference of the plot is given. So from the circumference we will get our radius, that is 5 meter. Then the outer radius becomes 3.5 plus inner radius. So outer radius is 10.5, inner radius is 7 meter. Okay, you will again use that same formula to find the area of this road. And in this question you have to find the cos. So for the cos you have to multiply area by 20. Okay, then question number 13. For question number 13, a sheet of metal dimension, this is melted and recast into the disc. This sheet is remelted and cast into this, so you have to find the how many discs can be casted. So you have to find the area of this sheet and divide it by the area of this circle. Okay, you get the number of discs. Question number 14. Two equal areas parameter, you have to find the parameter of this area. So from the question number 14, area of two circle is 308. For finding the area of one circle, we divided by 2. Okay, now to find the radius of this, put this 154 is equal to pi r square. You will get your radius. If this one is 7, so for total length of this rectangle, 7 plus 7, 7 and 7, you will get your length of the rectangle 28. For the breadth, 7 plus 7, so that is 14. If you get length and breadth of the rectangle, you can calculate the perimeter of the rectangle, which is asked in the question. Okay, so question number 15th. For the question number 15, you have to semicircle, find the area of semicircle and subtract small semicircle. You will get this area. For the question number 16, this is the big circle, find the area of this big circle. Radius is given, that is 21. Sorry, this is diameter, so for this radius become 21 by 2. 14 by 2, 7 by 2. So this is the radius of big circle, radius of this, and 7 by 2 radius of this. So area of this, subtract these two circles, you will get your area of the shaded region. For question number 17, two circular paths of diameters this and this are replaced by a bigger circular path. Who would be the radius of the new park if the new park occupied the same space as the small park? So this is the hint that area of the big park is equal to the area of small park. So area of the big park is equal to sum of area of small park. From this we will get, we have radius of small parks, so therefore we will get the radius of big park. Question number 18. A rope by which a calf is tied is increased from 12. A calf is tied from 12 meter, which is increased 23 meter. So how much area is now covered by the calf to graze? So this is the area that increased. This is the area, this area. So again you have to put the same formula, area between two circles, and you will get your radius are given, so you can easily find the area. For question number 19, if the area of the triangle is whose base is given equal to area of the circle. So simple question as completely given in the question. Area of triangle is equal to area of circle. Area of triangle is half base into height. We have base, so put that value. Area of circle pi r square, radius is given. After putting all the values, we will get our height of the triangle. Height of the triangle, that is 14 centimeter, and that is our option number C. Okay, that's all for this video. Complete your work in your maths classwork notebook. All the best.